Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, dual power sun moonroof, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. You are going to love the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, MP3 player, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.